right? I have completed with the exercise number A. Okay, on page number 7070. Now we will do page number 71. Right? Shall we start? Okay. So in this you have to do fill in the blanks. Okay, and you have to put a and or. Okay, and you have to put the cross on the blanks in which if there is no article is used. Right? If there is no article, we'll make it a cross. Okay, and other blanks will fill it with the a and or. Right? Number one is Sanskrit dash ancient Indian language. Okay. Good morning, all of you. Okay, so it will be an ancient language, right? Second one is dash moon revolves around dash earth. Okay, it will be the and the, right? Yes. Next is third word, that is we shall attend the party dash R and R. Okay, right? Next, we have dash dinner early, right? The fifth. Dash India is an democratic country. Dash India is a country, right? So what will come here? The, right? Fifth, we have done. Now sixth. He laughs like dash food, a food. Okay. Seventh, the barber has dash sharp razor, right? That means okay. Write down everyone. Write down fast. Done. Those who have filled already can just check it out what they have written is correct or not. Okay, just check once. Okay, now next, number 7, sorry, 8, that is the dash Ashoka was dash wise king, right? So the particular हो गया तो the आ गया a wise king. Then Manish is dash honest boy. That is Manish is an honest boy, right? Then 10th, the world is dash happy place. That is the, right? And 11th, it was dash cloudy day, right? So on this dash we will write a. Okay. Next we have number 12. That is dash cow is a useful animal. The cow. Number 13. It is dash beautiful painting. Right? So it is a beautiful painting. Right? Write down fast. Done. Sandeep. Done. Apurva, Aryan, Nakul, Navya, Prateek, Uday. Okay. Move to next. 14 number. Dash plane is dash Greek epic. Okay. The is the Greek epic. Next, 15th one. This is dash Cambier is a 16. She spoke in dash loud voice. The then 17. We are dash holiday today. Okay, we have a holiday today. 18. I have dash map of India. I have a map of India. 19. We should never tell lie. Okay. So I have written this like this because in this blank you have to write nothing. Okay. You have in the blank you have to make a cross. Right? Okay. And the 12th one. Your 12th one, that is dash cow is a useful animal. It will also be a cross. The will not come. Okay. By mistake I have written the. It will not come. Okay. It will be a cross. Clear to everyone? 12th one is a cross. Okay. Clear? Right. Next 20. We will be back in dash few minutes. That is her. Okay. Able to see all of you? Note down please. Fast. Okay. So it is given we will be back in few minutes. They have mentioned that in few minutes will be back. Right? So in this case, and both will not come. Okay? I was just checking you, but many of them have given the answer. And they have written. Okay? So basically, this will be a cross. Okay? Clear to everyone? Yes, note down fast. Done. Aarti, Devesh, Ayush, Aryan, Kushal, Apurva, Nish, Nakul, Navya, Prateek, Sandeep, Uday. Done. All of you. Clear to everyone. Okay. So now we have completed with our exercises A and exercise B. Both exercise we have done of this chapter, right? That is your article. Okay, I have explained you also, right? So now we are being with the third exercise, that is choose the correct article. Already I have explained you and we have done with two exercises. So this one is the learning drills, right? That means you will do this on your own. You just have to match them, right? Very simple. You have to choose and match a and baby. Simple, right? So you have to do this on your own, right? And if you are not able to do, then also we'll discuss in the class once, right? But first you try to do this because these are very simple one now. You can easily do that. Okay, just try once, right? So that you will have one confidence over, you can have a confidence, right? Are you able to do that or not, right? Okay, ठीक है. अगर आप करोगे तभी आपका कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा कि यस यू हैव अंडरस्टूड विद व्हाट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू द आर्टिकल्स, राइट? एंड यू कैन इजीली डू दैट, राइट? सो जस्ट ट्राई एंड डू इट दैट. ओके, क्लियर टू ऑल, क्लियर टू एवरीवन, नो इश्यूज. ओके, राइट. I will WhatsApp you today both the exercise A and B, those who have not done. Okay, I'll WhatsApp you, right? Right now, this is chapter number 18. We're going to start. Okay, that is verb. Right? Okay, we're going to start with the chapter new, that is the verb. Right? Okay, page number 73. Okay, so we have 2-3 minutes, so we'll discuss this about ma'am. You were doing in the copy when ma'am was teaching you, Manju ma'am. You were doing this in your copies, were you? You were doing in the books itself, na? You were doing in copies or you were doing in the books only when ma'am was teaching you? Yes. If you were doing in copies, then you note down in the copies also. And if you are not doing in the copies, you were writing in the books only, then continue writing in the books. Okay? Okay, so you copy them in your notebooks, right? Whatever we have done, exercise A, B, copy them in your book, notebooks. Okay? So now we're going to start with the chapter verbs. Okay, there are some sentences given to you in your book. If you look, that sentences which is given here is I feel sorry for him. Okay, feel is being marked, right? two examples I will write on the board. Okay. Number one, I feel sorry for him. I will mark the word feel. Second, he goes there daily. Goes. Right? So, if we look in this both the sentences, that is, I feel sorry and he goes. Okay. So, the sentence feel and goes here is underlined because they are verb. Right? How? Why? That we will study. Okay. These verbs say something about the subject. ठीक है, अगर वो किसी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में हमें बता रहे हैं, they are describing that, so that is your verb, right? He feels, ये बता रहा है हमें सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कि क्या है, वो feel है. Okay, right? So a verb is mainly a doing word. ठीक है, जो भी work we are doing, that will be your verb, right? A verb is mainly, basically it is a doing word, right? Doing something, doing something, or that word doing, जो doing word है, that will come under your verbs, right? It says that somebody or something does an action, right? कोई action perform हो रहा है by somebody or something is being done, that is being said to be your verb, right? The such a verb is also called your action verb, right? When some type of action is being performed on somebody or something it is being performed, then it is said to be your action verb, right? Okay, so clear to you what is verb exactly mean to you, right? We will also discuss this in our next class. I will give you a revision also for this, what I have explained you today, right? ओके, सो वर्ब की जब हम बात करेंगे तो वर्ब क्या है, जब हम हमारे किसी सब्जेक्ट को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, राइट? द वर्ब से समथिंग एंड डिस्क्राइब समथिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज कम अंडर योर वर्ब. ओके, एंड अ वर्ब इज मेनली अ डूइंग वर्ड, राइट? वर्ड वो कौन सा वर्ड, दैट इज बीइंग doing something, describing something, it is giving a, you can say, a description to the subject, that is come under your verb, right? Okay, and it says something or something about the doing action. Okay, so such it is called as your action verb, right? Clear to you? Kushal, you are in very hurry today, right? Bye, ma'am. Tata. What happened? Hmm? What happened? Not interesting in this? Not interested? Even I know when I have to say bye, right? One minute, okay? Okay. So clear to everyone till here today? Any issue? Everything clear? Okay. So we'll continue with the next class, right? Verbs, okay? We'll study about them and please do complete your work today. Okay? Okay.